Today we are going to discuss about squares and square roots from class 8. First we are going to see only squares. What is a square? What is a square? Let us start with some integers. We know that integers start with 0, comma plus or minus 1, comma plus or minus 2, plus or minus 3, plus or minus 4, plus or minus 6, plus or minus 7, in between 5, right? 5 and 6, 7, plus or minus 8, plus or minus 9, and so on. These are all my integers. From these integers, we have special numbers. They are special for these squares and square roots. Those numbers we can study by the help of prime factors. Suppose if you take plus or minus 4. I would like to take plus 4. It is an integer, that's all. This is, I can write 2 2s up. By observing this 4 is a product of equal values or equal numbers. That's the reason the 4 is a square number. This is also can be written as 2 to the power of 2. 4 also can be written as 2 square. Here this is my power and this is my base. Power always says that base should be multiplied by 2 times. Now coming to the 9. This is one more special number. This is my 9, we can write 3 3s. These two are equal factors of 9. 9 we have product of 3 equal factors. That's the reason this is called 3 square, and also called this is a square number. Similarly, if you take, I would like to take minus 2 and minus 2. These two are integers. Minus into minus, plus 2 2s are 4 indeed. If you take minus and minus, minus into minus plus 3 3s are again. So many ways we can write the perfect square. These are my square numbers. If you are going to 60, we can write 4 into 4. And this is, you can write 4 square. So 60 can be written as product of 2 equal factors. That's the reason 4 is called square number. This is my square number. Similarly, if you take 25, 5 is 1. That is equals to 5 square. Therefore, 25 can be expressed as 5 into 5, that is equal to 5 square. So 25 is a square number. In this way, we can find so many square numbers in integers. Some interesting pattern of a square number. This is very, very important. See here. 1 square you can write 1 1 1. Therefore, 1 is a square number. Now coming to this is my 1 square. 1 square is nothing but 1. This is my 1 square. Now coming to the 2 by 2 network. 2 by 2 network is a square divided into 2 equal parts. This is 2 equal parts and this is 2 equal parts. This is 2 by 2 network. This is 1 centimeter and this is 1 centimeter. Total this is 2 centimeters. It is equally divided. vertically and horizontally, we get again, this is 1 square, this is 1 square, this is 1 square, this is 1 square. Total how many squares are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 squares. But this is also a big square. That is different. Okay, anyhow, come here. A blue color says 1 square. Here by observing how many yellow color squares are there? 1, 2, 3. That's the reason 1 plus 3 is equals to 4. How many squares are there? Total 4 squares are there. 1 plus 3. 1 is a odd number and 3 is a odd number. The sum of first two odd natural numbers is always equals to a square number. By this activity we conclude this. Now coming to this. Blue only 1 and red yellow color squares 1, 2, 3 and red color 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Am I clear? 1 plus 3 plus 5. 1 plus 3 plus 5 is nothing but 9. We can write 3 square. Sum of first 3 odd numbers is a square number. That is a 9. We can write 3 square. Similarly, coming to this one. Blue 1, yellow 1, 2, 3, red 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After that green 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That means 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7. That is equals to 7 plus 3, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 plus 1, 16. 16 is a what? A square number. I told you clearly 16. We can write 4, 4 ja. A square number. By this pattern we conclude that sum of the squares of the first odd numbers, sum of first odd natural numbers is a square number. If you take 2, we can get 4. If you take 3 square 9. If you take first 5 odd natural numbers, 5 square, that is equals to 25. See here, first odd natural number, second odd natural number, third odd natural number, fourth odd natural number, 1, 2, 3, fourth odd natural number, fifth odd natural number, 9. That is equals to 5 square. See here, 3 plus 7, 10, 1 plus 9, 10, 20, 20 plus 5, 25. Very simple. This is interesting pattern. The sum of odd natural numbers is always a square number. That depends upon the odd natural numbers. If you have sum of first 5 odd natural numbers is always equals to 25. Because 5 is at 5 square 25. If I have 10 odd natural numbers, from first to 10 odd natural numbers, that is equal to 10 square is equal to 100. By this pattern, we understood that every square number can be written as product of 2 equal factors. That is, I would like to define like this. 1 square is equals to 1, 2 square is equals to 4, 3 square. These 3 3s are 9. 4 square, that is equals to 16. 5 square is equals to 25. So these are my square numbers. These are my square numbers. These square numbers I would like to define by the help of general form. This is say some n. Then it is n square. This is another number. This is say some m. So m is equal to some n square. M is called a square number when m is equal to some n square. I would like to define this. See here. If m is an integer, maybe 25, maybe 16, maybe 9, maybe 4. Whatever, m is an integer, can be expressed as some n square. Where n is an integer, then m is a square number, or m is a square of n. Suppose 4 is there, we can say square of 2. We call it as square of 2. Square of 2 means 2 2s are. Suppose if I have 9, we can write 3 square. That means 9 is also called square of 3. 9 is. In the similar, m is a square of some n. M is an integer, can be expressed as some n square. Where m is an integer, m is called a square number, and also called n is a square of n. The next one is a perfect square. See here, the perfect square. Perfect square. I would like to start with a rational number. Some 4 by 9 is there. We can write 2 by 3 into 2 by 3. That means a rational number can be expressed as product of equal rational numbers. Suppose if I have 22, 25, 2.25. This is also can be written as 1.5 into 1.5. It is a what? A decimal number. This type of numbers are called perfect square number. Every square number is a perfect square. Every square number is a perfect square. Why? 4 is there. It is an integer. It is also called a rational number. But the reason every square number is a perfect square. Every perfect square, it need not be a square. Am I clear? And whole interesting pattern. We'll see this one. These are my number and these are my squares. These are my squares. See here. Suppose 11 you take. 11 you can write 11 121. This is my square number. 12 square. 12 dollar 144. 13 square 169. Here 16 is given. 16 square. 16 yeah. 256. 256 is a square number because 256 can be expressed as 16 into 60. These two are equal factors of 256. By observing this pattern, every square number end with 0. See here, double 0. Simply can 0. And next one, unit place. See unit place. Unit place is 1. 21 yeah, 441 again end with 1. That means every square number end with 0 or 1. Next 4. See 4. Here see 12 144 4. Here 2 2s are 4. Next 5. See here The square of 5 is 25. End with 5. 15 are 225. End with 5. 25 are 625. End with 5. Similarly, it is end with 6 and end with 9. So every square number end with 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 and 9. Suppose if I have 200, it is not a square number, but it ends with 0. That means every square number ends with 0, 1, 4, 5, 6, 9. But every number need not be a square number. If end with 0 or 1 or 2 or am I clear? This is the understanding of a square. Am I clear?